Embedding file printout in a notebook page can be helpful for group collaboration. It makes it easier for everyone to review the content and make changes. Many different file formats, including Word, Excel, PowerPoint, VGO, and PDFs are supported. While viewing a OneNote notebook in OneNote 2016, go to the Insert tab ribbon and then select File Printout. Navigate to where the file is saved and select Insert. OneNote converts the file to a printout and adds it to the current page. All text within a file printout is sketchable. Edits made to the embedded printout will also be updated to the linked file. That's how you link a document to a notebook page and give it more visibility.